Guys, this is Julio. Every time I'm taking a nap here on the couch, and Julio likes coming to me and laying down with me. Ang pinahayang pa siya, guys, so pinakita pang iyahang kuan tintin yung akong palangging na Julio. It's a nap time. Mura man ni siya kuan, ay mura po siya atong tao nga matog nakahayang. And guys, this is my Julio taking a nap with me. Nanok siya, nag-snoring na si Julio. Nag-snoring kanina. Walay ligo. Walay ligo. 1 week na ka walay ligo, Julio. Trapo-trapo lang ka at saka hugas mga paa.
Strong coffee.
Say bye. Say bye. Mata na ka dong? Aww. Aww, look at my baby boy. Aww. Aww, pakindot-kindot pa ang mata. And thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, guys. What you doing?